Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment so the rest moves fast. Install Node LTS and the Firebase CLI, then authenticate with Firebase Login so the CLI can access your projects. Once done, open your project folder and run Firebase in it hosting. Choose an existing Firebase project or create a new one, set a public directory, and pick single-page app options if needed. These first actions create Firebase JSON and set up files the deploy process will use. Next, focus on configuration and local verification so deployment behaves predictably. Point the hosting public directory at your compiled output, dist, or build so Firebase serves the production files. Adjust rewrites for single-page apps to route unknown paths to index. HTML. Then run your usual build command, for example npm run build, and test with Firebase serve to mimic production. Make sure asset paths and environment keys are correct, because mismatches here cause broken links or missing data when you finally deploy. Finally, publish and confirm your site is live. Execute Firebase deploy only hosting to upload assets and update the live site. Watch the CLI output for the hosting URL. If you want a custom domain, add it in the console and follow the DNS verification steps. Firebase provisions HTTPS automatically once verified. If something goes wrong, check Firebase debug. Log in the Firebase console, deploy details for errors. Then fix build or routing issues and redeploy. One troubleshooting tip: clear service work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.